Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually a very special and unexpected one. About 6 months ago, I made a video about an automation tool called N8n. It was a simple video where I explored how automation tools can help simplify tasks and workflows. That video ended up getting around 3.8 thousand views, and honestly, I never expected anything beyond that. But today, something amazing happened. I received a package all the way from California from the N8n team, and inside were some really thoughtful gifts for creators. So in today's video, I'm going to open this package with you, show you everything they sent, and talk a little bit about what each item is and how it can help creators like me make better content. Let's start the unboxing. So this is the package that arrived. When I first saw it, I was honestly surprised because I wasn't expecting anything. It's always a really nice feeling when a company notices the content you create and takes the time to send a thank you package like this. Inside the box were several items, including creator gear and some N8n merchandise. Let's take a look at everything one by one. The thank you card. The first thing inside the box was this card from the N8n team. And I really like this because it makes the package feel personal. The message basically says thank you for creating content about N8n and being part of their community. For me as a creator, messages like this are very encouraging because they show that companies are actually watching and appreciating the content that creators put out. So a big thank you to the N8n community team for this thoughtful note. N8n T-shirt. Next in the box is this N8n T-shirt. This is actually really cool. It's always fun to receive branded merchandise from companies, especially when it's something you can actually wear while creating content. For creators who make tech or automation videos, wearing merchandise like this can also show support for the tools and platforms you talk about. The design is simple and clean, which I like a lot. N8n Cap. Another item they sent is this N8n Cap. This is actually something I can definitely use when filming videos or even when going out. Caps like this are also great for casual videos or live streams because they give a relaxed creator look. And again, it's really nice to see the branding from N8n and be part of the community of people who are exploring automation tools. Stickers. Next we have these N8n stickers. Now stickers might seem like a small thing, but creators and developers actually love collecting stickers from tools and platforms they use. These are perfect for laptops, notebooks, or even desks. So these will probably end up on my laptop very soon. Creator gear. Ring light. Now this next item is actually very useful for making YouTube videos. They sent a small ring light. Lighting is extremely important when recording videos, because good lighting makes the video look clearer and more professional. So this ring light will definitely help improve the quality of my future videos. Even small improvements in lighting can make a big difference in how your videos look on YouTube. Features. Just press to use. Tap lightly to switch the light effect, and 3 gears can be adjusted. It can be used for selfies, live video, or in low light environments, and the fill light effect is obvious. Use 360 degrees lighting to create 3-dimensional shadows to form a 3-dimensional facelifting effect. Built-in 120 mAh lithium-ion battery and USB powered, it can be charged anytime, anywhere. You can use it with the rear camera to get satisfactory photos. It can also be used as a flashlight, emergency light, or even SOS signal light. Wireless microphone. Another really useful item they included is this wireless microphone. Audio quality is just as important as video quality when it comes to YouTube. If viewers cannot hear clearly, they usually click away from the video. So having a portable microphone like this can help record clearer sound, whether you're filming indoors or outdoors. This is something I'm definitely excited to start using in my upcoming videos. Crystal clear audio for interviews, commentaries, and more. Lightweight and portable in design. Offers 20 meters/65 feet of wireless range. Apple and Android compatible. Clear audio sounds better and more professional, while shining a light on what you have to say. You'll also be more credible and equipped to create incredible content, all for a fraction of the price of other high-end mics. Top-shelf audio quality, professional-grade recording, uncompromised affordability, professional audio you can take anywhere. You can't predict when inspiration will hit you, so it pays to stay prepared. That's why our Lightweight Pocket Pro is ideal for content creators, so you can be on the go without being weighed down. Portable, lightweight design, on-the-go professional quality. Record wherever inspiration hits you. Just clip and go. With hours of battery life, you can just clip the mic and record when inspiration hits. There's never been an easier or more reliable way to record your content. Hours of battery life, easily clips to your clothes, lightweight and portable. Wireless microphone. Holder, receiver, windbreaker attachment. Plug, play, create. Pocket Pro. Travel like a pro creator. 20 meters wireless range. Record with confidence anywhere. Elevate your content creation. Your voice perfectly clear. Blue Bolt wireless microphone. Quick explanation of N8n. For those of you who may not know what N8n is, let me explain briefly. N8n is an automation platform that helps connect different apps and automate tasks. For example, you can create workflows that automatically move information between apps, send notifications, or process data without needing to do everything manually. Automation tools like N8n are becoming very popular because they save time and help people work more efficiently. And that's why so many developers and creators are interested in learning how to use tools like this. So I just want to say a big thank you to the entire N8n team for sending this thoughtful creator package. It really means a lot when companies recognize and appreciate creators, no matter the size of their channel. This package was a wonderful surprise, and I truly appreciate the support. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. And if you would like to see more videos about automation tools like N8n or tutorials on how to build simple automations, I would be happy to make those as well. Once again, thank you to the N8n team for this amazing surprise package. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.